Hi guys, Kenny Martin here. Welcome back to Talking Pictures. In this series, I look at 40 years of my career as a portrait photographer, taking all genres, all styles of portraits throughout my career. I particularly love working with natural light. That's my thing. I just adore it. And even though when I go on a job, I take tons of gear with me in my boot, it's very seldom that I ever take the things out. I normally find some amazing little pockets and natural light to work with, and I think that is absolutely fantastic. And still, for me, it just creates the richest, most beautiful pictures. This photograph here is taken of Chef Patrick Bardolay. Now, I've photographed Patrick many times in the past and photographed his exceptional food as well. And this was taken for a magazine commission. And when I went to the restaurant and saw these beautiful round windows here, I decided that I was going to use the daylight there, but I deliberately moved these lamps here so that they became part of that scene, that kind of walking through the scene. So we got out of focus, we got him in focus, we got them out of focus. So again, photographing wide open, probably in my lens on my phase one, it's probably photographed at f4, I would imagine. I think that was about the fastest lens I had, and that would have been on a 110 lens on the medium format, which is giving a really nice perspective to the body. So what I've done here is I've used an expo disc, should I say, on the front of my lens, right? But what I've done is I've pointed the expo disc out from Patrick's face towards the light, and then I've taken a photograph of that expo disc, and that's given me my white balance. If you've never used an expo disc or never seen it, they are the most accurate ways of getting a perfect white balance. So essentially, you put it on the lens, you defocus the lens, you point it at the light source, you take a photograph, you use that as your custom white balance, and trust me here, the white balance will be absolutely perfect. It's a brilliant tool. Now, it's not necessarily cheap. I think it's maybe 100 quid, something like that, for the disc, but it's incredible if you've never used one. Give it a try. So what we've done here, and the beauty of this is, because we've got this all natural light, this lovely light coming in here, lighting the face up, catch lights in the eyes, lights coming in at a beautiful 45-degree angle. We've got the lovely warmth now, the excessive warmth of these lamps are really creating a beautiful warm image. So beautifully lit, natural colours, whites, skin tones, and then this incredible warmth, this out of focus, this in focus, out of focusedness. It looks absolutely amazing. I can't even remember what magazine this was commissioned for, but that's how I would approach this. Again, taking a meter reading for the face, out towards the light, exposing for the highlights, letting the shadows do their stuff, right? Just let them do their stuff. And this is the kind of shot that you'll end up with. So this is Patrick Bardolay, as I call him, Chef. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please click the notification bell. I would be tremendously grateful for that. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next Talking Pictures. Bye for now.